So documenting the garage door, it's stuck. When I push the button on the wall to lower the garage door, all it does is a clicking sound. So here's the demonstration. So just clicking sounds, and the garage door doesn't actually come down. And just so you can hear the clicking, I'll come a little bit closer to the opener. Okay, but now if we jiggle the door a little bit, so I'm just going to reach up and hit the door. And now we try it. Okay, try it one more time. There we go. Okay. Let's do it again. Sometimes it takes a couple of knocks. Nope, that doesn't seem to be doing anything. So the other option is to go behind the unit. It has a set limit switch. So we'll go ahead and press the set limit switch, which is here, and that should fix it. So let's try that. There we go. So the door moved. And so now, if I go ahead and hit the button on the wall, the door will close. Let's do it again. There we go.